An excuse is a way to prove that doing wrong wasn't a choice, but involuntary. It's a way of taking blame off ourselves so we don't feel bad. An excuse is made to escape specific responsibility if you want to keep away from any poor final results or punishment. It can be used as an herbal defense mechanism to avoid guilt and shame. Excuses sometimes serve an important purpose. They are also essential for creativity. Excuses help you focus. You can't say yes to everything or you'll never get anything accomplished. Saying no helps you focus on what you really want or need to do. This makes excuses inevitable. There are reasons and there are excuses. Sometimes we use excuses for reasons and reasons for excuses. Welcome to BDMP, Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Today, we're going to look at different ways of making excuses. Come along with me. Excuses for being late. Sorry, I dey late. I oversleep. My alarm clock no ring. I wait die for bus. The traffic dey terrible. The traffic na die. I no find where to park. I lost as I dey come here. I dey tied up for meeting. I just lost track of time. Excuses for leaving early. I gats wake up early tomorrow. I gats pick up my children. I suppose dey somewhere now. I get another appointment soon. Shoo? Wetin be the time? I gats go now. I don late already. Excuses during a phone call. My battery don dey die. Somebody dey the other line. You call for wrong time. Somebody dey knock. I gats go. The network dey bad. The line dey break. I no dey hear you well. Try make you call back later. Excuses for not keeping in touch. I been travel. I been dey very busy. I been lost my phone. I been just buy new phone. I been dey sick. Even you sef no get in touch. Excuses for not having money. I dey broke. Things dey hard these days. I just finished to pay my mortgage. I forget to go ATM before I come. I forget my wallet. I forget my purse. I been get some unexpected expenses. Excuses for not eating. I just eat finish. I dey diet. I dey fast. I don belle full. My stomach dey misbehave. Excuses for not drinking. I dey drive. I get low tolerance. I don quit drinking. I dey try reduce am. I dey take malaria drugs. Excuses for smoking. I dey try reduce am. I go quit. I been dey smoke more than this. Na the only bad habit wey I get. Excuses for a messy home. The maid dey off. I been dey busy. I been never get time to clean. E dey usually clean pass this. Excuses for a dirty car. I been never get time to clean am. I been dey wish to go car wash. E no dey usually this dirty. Excuses for forgetting someone's name. I dey terrible with name. I no dey forget face, only name. Excuses for saying something insensitive. No vex, I no mean am. No be wetin I mean. Abeg, no take am personal. I dey sorry. I dey pass through rough day. I wake up for wrong side of the bed. Excuses for declining an invitation. I get another commitment. I go travel. I no fit by that time. Now no be good time. Excuses for being unfaithful. She be just friend. He be just friend. We dey pass through rough time now. I never let am get serious. I just dey enjoy myself. I be human. Excuses for doing something you're not supposed to do. Oh boy, you only live once. Oh boy, you only die once. Who go find out? I no fit help am. I been no get choice. One thing lead to another. No tell me say you never do something wrong for your life. Person wey never sin before, make e throw the first stone. I be just human.